Types of yoga asanas and their benefits. An asana is a body posture that is performed to benefit the health and mind. The term has been derived from a Sanskrit term that means posture or pose. While the gym is a new concept, but performing different types of yoga asanas is an age-old concept. Asanas can even be performed at home without any instruments. Benefits of asanas. Asanas essentially work to lubricate the muscles, joints, ligaments and other parts of the body. This helps to increase circulation and flexibility. They also help better the internal body health as different asanas work on different internal parts of the body. You can look for a relevant asana to practice to help take care of the ailment. Practicing daily asanas can boost up energy and also improve health. While absorbed in your daily busy schedule, asanas can help to retain the mind-body balance. We list some of the asanas that can be beneficial for your health. Sukhasana or easy pose. This is an amazing one for beginners as it gives one the desired comfort. The asana is beyond the horizons of the physical dimension and gives a spiritual bliss. Sukhasana is best to reduce anxiety and stress and mental tiredness. It corrects the body posture and stretches the chest and spine. Tip: sit with the legs tucked inside the opposite thighs and the spine should be vertically straight. The hands should be placed on the knees and breathe in and out gently. Nakasana or boat pose. This asana stretches the abdominal muscles and it improves digestion and reduces belly fat. It is good to improve the efficiency of abdominal muscles. Tip: one needs to lie on one's back with legs together and the hands on the thighs, without touching them. Then the body should make a 30-degree angle. The Nurasana or bow pose. It stretches the entire body. It helps in weight loss and boosts digestion and blood circulation. It is effective in making the back flexible. Tip: one just needs to lie on the stomach with hands on the feet and pull backwards. The body should make a bow-like posture as the name suggests. Vakrasana or twisted pose. Vakrasana makes the body flexible and reduces belly fat and also helps in improving digestion by regulating digestive juices. Tip: one needs to make a posture like a steady stance by placing the right foot high up on the left thigh and the hands should be over the head with the palms together. The spine must be straight and the sole of the foot flat and firm. After releasing the pose, one needs to change the position and try the other leg. Kakarasana or crow pose. For anyone who wants to improve their concentration power, wipe out sluggishness, Kakarasana is the best option, as it stretches the muscles of arms, wrists, and forearms. Tip: one needs to squat and keep the legs slightly apart with the hands firmly on the floor. After that, the body should be uplifted and the hands on the floor. Bhujangasana or cobra stretch. It is known as the corrector of the curvature and makes the spine flexible. The curve structure of the asana massages the deep back muscles, spine and nerves. It can be a great asana for people dealing with arthritis of the lower back and lower back pains. It releases stress through invigorating adrenal glands and kidneys. Tip: after lying on the floor on the stomach, the hands should be on the floor after the upper body should be stretched and uplifted. Halasana or plow pose. The halasana aims to keep the spinal system youthful as it stretches the spinal muscles. The stretch releases the tension from the shoulders, arms and spine. Tip: begin with lying on your back with the hands on each side should be straight and stretched. Then lift both legs and place the feet over the head making a 180-degree angle. Sirongasana or shoulder stand. The meaning of Sirongasana is all parts. The asana involves the entire body and revitalizes it. It involves the thyroid gland and stimulates metabolism, protein synthesis, and blood circulation. The posture of the asana strengthens muscles and lowers the chances of kidney and bone disease. Shirasana or headstand. Shirasana, aka the king of the asanas, has remarkable benefits. It improves blood circulation, gives strength to the respiratory system, improves concentration and memory. Tip: take the support of a wall, to begin with. Keep the spine straight with your head down and feet up. Use your hands to support yourself. Gomukhasana or cow face pose. It is one of the basic asanas that opens up the hips. As the asana stretches the hips, arms, thighs and back, it helps in muscle relaxation. Tip: one needs to slide the knees together, then the right leg should be over the left leg with the right foot going under the left buttock. It improves blood circulation, gives strength to the respiratory system, improves concentration and memory. The asana involves the brain, spine and entire nervous system.